What's up, everybody? Today we're doing something a little different. We're outside in the backyard. I've got the grill going. I've got traffic going by like crazy. But today, I've got my kids with me and we're gonna do pizzas out here on the grill. We're gonna use ciabatta bread instead of normal pizza dough. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna bring you in here tight as we make these pizzas. All right, so Connor's up first and he's already said he wants to make ham and pineapple. So it's not ham, it's Canadian bacon. So here we go. We're starting off, we want to get some olive oil on this, just a little bit. Ain't got to be a whole lot. Just going to drizzle it in, and just take my fingers, just rub that in a little bit. Now, right on top, a little sauce. Perfect. Now we're going to come in here with cheese. Cheese. So now, ham. Just all 4 pieces on there. And pineapples. I know it's his favorite part, so we'll load him up, I guess. All right, now, his is done. Let's set it on the grill. All right, bud, watch out. And I don't want this right on top because I don't want to get too hot. So I'm setting it all right here on the very top. Oh, we lost pineapple. Okay, so Elena's up next. She wants the same thing, but she wants to use fresh mozzarella. So, like before, olive oil on the bread. Rub that in good. A little sauce. Alright, now Elena, what I want you to do, I want you to come over this side, and I want you to start putting your ham and your pineapple on, and then I'm going to put the cheese on top of it, okay? Because you want the fresh mozzarella. So while you're doing that, Daddy's going to cut the cheese, man.
We're just going to put a few because Mommy or Daddy might want some ham too. Just going to put 4.
You can get more than 4, honey.
I want to take 4.
Okay.
Take some pineapple. Hey, silky pineapple. Put about 6 on. I think that's good.
Okay, you done? So bring yours over here, and we're gonna lay these down a little bit instead of having pyramids. All right, now the cheese we're just gonna lay right over top. Okay?
I cannot wait to taste this.
Just lay right over the top. Just like that. All right.
Yeah.
Now when Connor's is ready. All right, so Mama's Pizza, she wants a little bit of a mixture, a couple of cheeses, and we're gonna do olive oil to start with. Just like before, just rub that in a little bit. Sauce. Now, ricotta. Just a little bit, just smooth it around. Excuse me. And then Mama also wants meat. So we're gonna just use the sauce spoon and get some meat and some mushrooms. I went ahead, this is actually the Johnsonville sweet Italian sausage that I browned up and put some mushrooms in there with that after the sausage got brown and just let it absorb the flavor. So I spared y'all a little bit of watching me brown meat and cook mushrooms. So there's that. Now, fresh mozzarella. And that is that. Now it's time to make my pizza, but I want to give y'all a little background of what I'm about to do. This week has been mine and my wife's anniversary, and one of the places we used to love to go in Athens was Depalma's. And they had some stuffed mushrooms that were absolutely amazing. They had mushrooms they had filled with pesto and had some mozzarella on top, and they also had a sausage stuffed mushroom with mozzarella. The mushrooms and the pesto was just the pesto. So I'm kind of taking those two things and making one pizza with that, just kind of, you know, in remembrance of our, you know, times we spent together in Athens, and just kind of a way to bring in the memory of Depalma's, because being in Germany, we don't get to have that much anymore. So this is how I'm going to make it. So olive oil. Can y'all back up just a little bit, please? Thank you. Pesto. And one of the other things we used to do a lot in Athens was go to sushi, but I have not quite ventured out to make a sushi pizza, but I will make sushi on here one day. That's going to be coming. I can do that. So got that, and then the sausage and mushrooms on top. And as we're making this, the kids are just constantly stealing pineapples. So, sausage, mushrooms stacked up. Now, I want to get a little bit of ricotta, and I'm just going to put little, sorry, let me get that out of y'all's way. I'm just going to put little pieces of ricotta throughout. A couple more. That'll be good. Now, fresh mozzarella as well, just scattered around. And there you go, and that's kind of my way of paying homage to Depalma's on their pizza that the mushrooms that they used to have that we love so much. So let's get them on the grill. Folks, so the pizzas are done. We had them all on the grill. We've got them all off now. I went ahead and cut them up so everybody's ready to eat. But I want to bring y'all in, just show you what they all look like. As you can see, they all turned out great. But I want to go ahead and try mine on camera just to see if that flavor is there. Elena, would you like to try your pizza as well?
Yes, please.
Grab a piece of yours and let's try it. See how they are. A lot of crunch in that.
That is delicious.
Those flavors are exactly like I remembered. The stuffed mushrooms at Depalma's. Anybody that lives in Athens, been to Athens, I'm sure you've probably had Depalma's. This is amazing. It's great. Well, folks, thank you all for watching. We appreciate all the support. If you will, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell icon so you can get notified of any videos that we're going to be putting out. We're going to eat. It's time for us to settle in. So from my family to yours, I love you. God bless. I'll say bye.
Bye.
Bye.